Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about sausages, cucumber and rice. And I got me a little saucy on the side here. Yeah guys, so Eat with Kim started this, okay guys? So, okay. Shh. Stop it. Anyway, I gotta get this going, guys, because, yeah, some of the kids will get home soon, and I haven't started it, and yeah, let's get going. See, I should sit down here, eh? Then you can see my whole head. But anyway, guys, I want you guys to see the food. So, sending thanks first, guys. Let's go. Look at me cleaning I got this habit of always like wiping the spoon. I've done it since I used to go to restaurants way back in my days. My younger days. Cheers everyone. It's only a recordio, nothing fancy. Yep, just wet the palate and there away I go. So I have here, well, my daughter got it, sausage with like spices inside it. Okay, that tastes really good. So have a taster, and you guys can have some. I cooked this rice, right? And Mama D's World said to me I should cook my rice with garlic, butter. What did I do? Garlic, butter, do something else, and God, hang on, I have written it down. Okay, sorry. Looks upside down. Oh yeah. Was already flipping to the page, but I'll keep going to the back. Mama D's will said boil it in crushed garlic, butter and salt, and chunks of onion, and then remove after the chunks of onion, that is. And that's exactly what I done. So Mama D's World, I done what you said. I eventually did it, and it tastes, guys, try it out. So it's garlic, butter, salt, my gosh, what a short name. Butter, salt, chunks of onions, and crushed garlic, guys. See? What's so hard about that? And guess what? You get a good flavor after that in your room. Have a taste, guys. Anyway, try it out. And come and stop by Mama D's World and check the channel out. She does mukbang too. My daughter, she wanted me to make her squash. So I just added it into the frying pan. I fried some onions. I fried some onions till it's nice and brownish, you know, brownish. And then, the sausage is so flavoursome. Yeah. I fried the onions and then I chipped in the honey soy sauce. Okay, guys? Bye. Listen. Everybody cucumber. Now that cools it down. And then I add the bottle of sauce in. But when I tasted it, was a bit too much. too much something. So I boil the kettle and I pour kettle water in it just to water it down and take some of that harsh flavour. And now to move. How's everyone going anyway? No, I've been busy. I've been busy uploading my Rarotonga vlog. I'll tell you what, I had a best time. Even though my mum was at my sister's house, my older sister, I just couldn't stop thinking about her, eh? And twice, I heard her calling my name so clearly. She actually called out to me. Right? When I was sleeping. And then the other time, when I was sitting here talking with my brother. And my mother called my name, called out my name. Well, I know she's not there around me because I'm in Cook Islands, she's in Australia. But it was weird that she was calling me. She was calling me. And I thought to myself, I know she's with my sister, but I don't know why she's calling me. Maybe she missed me, no? Did I miss her? I wonder if she heard me call her. And you know what, the first thing I done when the plane landed, and then my phone, I could get my Wi-Fi back on when I was near Australia soil. The first thing I did was check on my sister's Facebook page and see if she had put up something about my mum. Oh no, I don't check on how my kids are, but hey, I can see my kids are growing. So they can look after each other. You know what, guys? My kids say, it was so lovely. When we got home, they all came and put on the barbecue. Put on this barbecue, and my other daughter made supper soy. My other daughter had to, she hadn't finished work till after. And she turned up. And my daughter-in-law went and picked up my mum from my sister's house. To make sure that my mum was here when I arrived. You know, I was so considerate of them. I love my kids and my in-laws, my daughter-in-law, and my son-in-law. Very good kids. Very blessed. They're very blessed. And I want my kids to know that I want them to treat their partners with love and respect. You know? I mean, I've got to live by example, eh? But hey, I love my husband. We have this, I don't know. My husband, he can be softy, but, you know, everyone have their issues, eh? You know, like little problems here and there. Before, when my husband and I would fight, listen up guys, listen up. Before my husband and I would fight, it can be about the smallest thing, the biggest thing, and I don't know. Couples fight over things that sometimes not even a big deal. But we do, what? And then So, what happened? What do I say? Okay. Yeah. And then we just fight, and I would hold a grudge. Right. I could be angry for 2 days. And I don't want to talk to him. We fight. And now, I can be angry just for about 2 minutes. I can be angry like for 2 minutes. And then, I'm going to talk to him. I just say, he'll come to me and Daddy, you will talk to me like nothing happened, like, Daddy, should we go and pay a bill or something, you know? I'm thinking, just go, alright, we just had a fight, let's finish it off. And I go, don't talk to me. Nah. He goes, what did I do? I go, no, don't talk to me. Go make me a coffee. I mean, we're alright. There's one way of getting him to make me a coffee. It's funny, eh? Sometimes when my husband's in the kitchen and he's making him a coffee, guess what? He will quickly move and get his coffee going. Well, I could be sitting there watching TV. But the thing is, he gets it away by stirring really, stirring really hard. And I hear this. And then I call out, oh, yes, please. And he goes, oh, I'm nearly finished. I'm nearly set it down. Come on. This rice is nice. This rice is nice. Try it out, guys. Yeah, guys. It's funny when you fight with your partner, right? At the time, it can be so serious. But when you look back at it, it's like, I don't know why we were even fighting. But before, let my kids tell you, I would hold a grudge. I would hold a grudge for 10 years. Yep. And my mum, my dear mum, she was saying, I wouldn't walk all the line. How should you say it? I wouldn't walk all the line to eat a beer. And then I say, nah, those are nice to be angry so easy. And I go, nah, we are in a town, blah, 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 blah. And she says, me a fuck over. My poor mum. She would always try and make peace with everything. We used to get a lot of grabbings, but that was her. She would always try and sort things out. And I would ask her, why do you stick up for our partners more than us? You know, we don't feel like you're on our side and things like that. When you're our mother, you should be on our side. And she said, look, when your partners come into our house, your wives, your husbands, when they come into our house, they are our children, you know. So, we want to look after them, you know. Want to protect them as well, because just say you go to his house and you have a fight and you got no one there to protect you, and you see their mother, his mother, or her father sticking up for their own child, who's going to stick up for my child? And I said, oh, okay. Still, I was thinking, it makes sense, but I was thinking, I would like to be saved sometimes. You know? Well, that's what my mum told me. So, when my own kids started getting their partners, it rubbed off on me. So, when they had their blues, I would, stick on my in-laws. But, I tell you what, if my kids really truly need my side, I will be on my kids' side, you know, especially on stuff like cheating, which, knock on wood, that has not happened. And I just want them to treat their partners good. And also, vice versa. But anyway, that's why I say my mom, she's always a peacemaker, you know. Very hard on us, but very loving and caring to others. No, I don't say my wife is hard enough. She's a very good mother. She was just hard on us to try and teach us, and you know, back in those days, or sometimes still now, in some homes, they still, you know, but my mum, oi, my family will tell you, is always being a reasonable person. You'll always stick up for the underdog. Yeah? I guess that's why I do it sometimes. I stick up for people because my mum is her actions. You know how kids are? They look at their parents and they sort of rub off them. So, I know my children must think, why does she stick up for our partners? What about us? But I've said it before. When the kids come in, when their partners come into our house, like my mum said, we have to be there for them because they are away from their own family, eh? And I told them, I wouldn't want you guys to be out there and they all bombard you. And, you know, like their grandma said, who's going to side with my child? So, guys, I know parents, when their kids have fights with their partners, straight away defending the child, their own child. So guys, look at the picture. Look at the picture first. Because there's a reason why people fight. We can't just take sides with our own kids, you know? You've got to see it both ways. And I thank my mum for teaching me like this. Because I would be the same too. But I tell you what, my kids are so blessed with their partners. They truly are. Because they are all like, they look after them, do their washing, make sure their food is good. You know, look after the children too, really good. So I look at it and I think, you know, they're blessed. They are blessed. And I thank God, you know, for giving me the blessing of my kids. So when I pass away and they're still together, my kids and their partner, I know that they got good partners. That's what I want. And I know that's what you want too. To see our kids do good, have a good family life. Alright now. You know, if we know that that's what they're doing, having a good family life, we can rest without worries. Oh, yeah, because I know some parents, man, hey, no matter if the other partner is right, they just stick up for their kid. But it's got to be fair. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. Eat with Kim. This is her food. And then B loved it. I did something similar like this, but last time was with chicken wings. So if you haven't seen that video, you'll go and find it and you watch it. Please. I got shout outs, guys. It's not far now to Polytube. Polytube. Then we're gonna fly over to New Zealand. God willing, me and my granddaughter. Oh. Guys, this is my nails. Look at it. Well, guys, I got shout out. Got shout outs to do. I don't know what I got this ready for. Okay. Might as well use it up because poor chopstick. But we'll open us up and didn't even use us. No, yeah. Leave it out. Cook it, guys. It's so lovely. Finish. Lovely. Okay, guys. Really so. Okay, shout out time, guys. Come on. Move up. We got the roll call now. Roll call. Yeah. The first shout out goes to Anna Maireki. And we are lefties, guys. We are lefties, she said so. Team Lefty. And the second one is Giselle Piazza. Okay? Sorry, guys. If I say your name wrong, sorry. And then I want to say hello to Lady Trey. Lady Trey, thank you. I've been seeing you leaving your comments here and there and watching my videos. Appreciate it. And then there's Marcela McKee Griffin. And then there's Lani Caffrey Manuv. Okay? Just like the chef Manu. Yeah, kitchen rules. Oh, how dare he get married and leave me? Nah. Anyway. And then there's Margie Fitu. She asked, Margie Fitu, you asked where did I buy my Old Bay seasoning from? And I had said Woolies. Oh, what a liar, guy. No, I didn't buy it from Woolies, guys. I didn't, because I got a bit of dementia, I think. I said Woolies, and I said to my daughter, did we really get it from Woolies? And she goes, no, Mum. We went to the American Candy Store place, and that's where we got it from. So it's the American Candy Store. I got mine from Penrith Candy Store out in Penrith. So, guys, if you live out here in New South Wales, I got mine from the candy store out in Penrith, okay? That's the Old Bay seasoning for to add into the seafood sauce, seafood boil sauces and that. Yeah, And then there's 23 Mario hello 23 Mario, and there's Kyla Missy, hello to you, and oh, I done a mukbang, right? I done a challenge, Be Love's challenge of no utensils. That means no spoons, no cups, no serviettes, none of this to wipe your mouth, nothing. But anyway, I did it like that. I finished all my food without even using a serviette. But anyway, I could feel the dribble, everything. And I was dying to use a serviette, but I couldn't. I wasn't going to do it because I wanted to finish off the challenge. I didn't mean to, you know, like scare you guys with all the sauce and everything all over my face. But it was a challenge. So if I used any other serviettes to wipe my face, the challenge is void. It's a no deal. Okay? So that's what happened. So sorry about that. Okay? And then there's Monty and Catherine. And last but not least, no. I want to shout out my niece, Mia Lowena. She is out that way. The other side of New South Wales. And I want to shout out to my niece, Mia. Thank you very much, my darling niece. I love you so much. Thank you very much for watching my videos. And even my nieces and my nephews and everyone else that watches my video. Whawhete lover. God bless you guys. Thank you, Ami. I love you. I was her flower girl. Was it a flower girl? No. Mater of honor on her when she got married. When we look so beautiful. But, you know, the bride is always the beautiful of them all on the day. Hey, I was so lucky just to be there, you know, to be there for her when it happened. This was way back in 1980 something. It was way back in 1980 something. I can't remember, was it 84? Yeah, so guys, thank you very much for hanging out with me, watching my videos. I appreciate you guys every single step of the way. Thank you. May God bless you guys, take care of you guys, family, and make sure you cross the road. And make sure you remember to give thanks to the good Lord, you know, for all this, all your clothes, or life, you know. I was watching Katrina in Asia last night, and I cried. You know why? Because the things that they were saying on their video was so good. It was so touching. This is why my mum became 7 Days Adventist, because she went to seminar, I don't know. Anyway, she went to one of those Bible this evening. She said what the pastor was saying at the time, it was like the pastor was only speaking to her only and her alone. There was no one else around, but yet the hall was like full of usuasiasi. And she said, when the pastor said, who wants to give themselves to the Lord? She stood up straight away, and she felt the love and calling, you know. That's what happened. And that was way back in 1978. And even now, she's got dementia. She forgets that she has to pray, you know. But I know God will understand. He understands, you know. My mom is so loyal to God, you know. We would always cop it. We would always be in trouble for the things that we do if it's not, you know, like doing what God wants us to do, you know. We do it in front of her, she hears about it, we're in trouble. Anyway, I better say goodbye. Thank you very much, guys. I always love your fellas' comment. Thank you so much. Fasui fuak. Take care, okay?